Hello everyone, welcome to Learningify, where we learn with ease. So let's go to our new question of the day. The angle of elevation, which is theta, of a tower from a point on the ground is such that its tangent is 5 by 12. What is tangent? Tangent is 5 by 12. Is means equals to tangent. In short, it is written as tan. Sine, cos, tan, and angle is theta. No number given, so L. So here we have tan theta equals to 5 by 12. This much from a point on the ground is such that its tangent is 5 by 12. The value of tan theta is 5 by 12, and theta is from here. On walking 192 meter towards the tower in same line, let's draw a little bit. This is the horizontal line. This is the tower. This is our place. From here, angle of elevation, which was theta here. This is the tower. Now walking 192 meter towards the tower. So walking 192 meter towards the tower, suppose this much. The tangent of angle of elevation phi is found to be 3 by 4. Same, now it is given 3 by 4 with a little difference. Tangent, now here our angle is phi because in both the cases angle has changed from theta to phi. It has changed while walking towards the tower, whose value, the tangent of angle of elevation is found to be 3 by 4. Tan phi equals to 3 by 4. Another result, find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. H meter. Let this be then x meter. Okay, let's name this O, A, B, C. Okay, so we have to get two equations of height. So let's take the bigger triangle. In triangle OBC, we have tan theta. Tan theta equals to perpendicular by base, which is BC by base is OB. Okay, we have got the value of tan theta 5 by 12. Therefore 5 by 12. BC is our height, which we have to find. OB equals to 192 plus x. 192 plus x. So from here we get h is equals to, this will go up and this will go up. 5 by 12, 192 plus x. Here is the first equation. Now let's have second equation from the second triangle. In triangle this, not this one because it doesn't have right angle. So this one. In triangle ABC, tan phi, again same perpendicular by base, perpendicular BC, base AB, BC by AB. So base BC again is h and AB is x, and tan phi value 3 by 4. Therefore 3 by 4 is equals to h by x. Oh, sorry. Then h is equals to 3 by 4 of x. C. Again this is our second equation. Here our LHS are same. Here also h, here also h. So their RHS must be equal. So let's go further. On equating 1 and 2, we get 5 by 12, 192 plus x is equals to 3 by 4 of x. Now we have to do basic simple. So basic after simplification, we will get 4 1s are 4 3s are. Basic calculations, we will go there. 5 192 plus x equals to 9x. 3 into 3, 9x. So we open the bracket. 5 into 192 plus 5x equals to 9x. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45 plus 1 46. 5 1 is plus 4 960. So 960 equals to 9x. Take this side, minus 5x. So 960, which will be equal to 4x. 9 minus 5, 4x. We will take x common. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. Okay. Then in next step, x equals to, these are both in multiply, so we'll take 4 and divide 960 by 4. Okay. So after cancelling, we'll get x equals to 240 meter. But this is not our final answer. We have got this one. Now we have to get the height. So we can use this equation, h is equals to 3 by 4x. Okay. From equation 2. H is equals to 3 by 4 x. X value is 240. 3 by 4 into 240. 460 is a 360 is a 80. 180 meter. Therefore, our height of the tower is 180 meter. This is our answer. So students, this is our next question, which is very famous. Statue on a pedestal. A pedestal is a stand over which a statue is kept. You may have seen that whenever you see a statue, it is placed on a stand. That stand here is called pedestal. So it is nothing to worry about this term. A statue 1.46 meter tall. It is the height of the statue. Stands on the top of a pedestal, means stand on the top of a stand. So there is a stand, and above that stand is placed the statue. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So let's draw our ground level. Suppose this is our ground level. Okay, then this is our stand. Suppose I am making it two-dimensional. Suppose this is our stand, pedestal, and above this, suppose the statue is kept. Okay, I am just drawing a line over it. So we can see a statue is 1.46 meter tall. So this is the statue, and the height of it is 1.46 meter. Okay, stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, suppose this is the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of statue, this is the statue and this is the top of statue, the angle of elevation of top of statue is 60 degree. So from here to the top of statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, from this point, the angle of elevation of top of pedestal, this is the pedestal stand, so this is the top of pedestal, is 45 degrees. So from the same point, the top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So we have to find this height. This height is which we have to find out. Okay, so let this point be O, A, B, C. So let this distance be x. Okay, actually this point will be A, the middle point. This is x meter. So in this triangle OAB, tan 45 equals to AB by OA. AB by OA. Value of tan 45 is 1. AB equals to H, which is unknown, and OA is X. So X will go above. H equals to X meter. So the height, so this distance AB is equals to OA. From here we get OA equals to OB. Since H is equals to X meter, therefore AB equals to OA meter. This is our equation 1 in triangle. Now bigger triangle OCA. OCA. You can name the triangle however you want. OAC, COA. Tan 60 is equals to perpendicular AC by base OA. Value of tan 60 is root 3. AC is our H plus 1.46. H plus 1.46. OA. OA is equals to OB. Sorry. This is AB. This is AB. So, where we were? Tan OA. OA is equals to AB. AB. Root 3 equals to H plus 1.46 by, we can replace AB with H. So we get another equation. We get H here. Root 3H equals to H plus 1.46. So root 3H, H is out of root. We take this H here, so minus sign equals to 1.46. We will take out H common. H is common. We will get root 3 minus 1 equals to 1.46. Value root 3 is 1.73. Okay. Minus 1. We can also take 2. 1.46. So H equals to 0.073 equals to 1.46. H equals to 1.46 divided by 0.73. Taking out see, we'll cut by 2. So we'll get height equals to 2 meter. Therefore, the height of the pedestal is 2 meter. So this is our answer. Please send your feedback to us if you have any doubt.